Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the front seats in a Vauxhall Corsa D. This is necessary if you want to replace a broken seat, clean thoroughly underneath it, or retrieve something you can't otherwise reach. I've been looking for that. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Right. Step 1 is to disconnect the negative cable to the battery. Then wait for any electricity stored in the car to dissipate. Now, there's no definitive minimum time we should wait, but I typically give it about an hour. Disconnecting the battery and waiting minimizes the risk of having any issues with the airbag in the side of the seat, which some Corsas have and some don't, and of having an airbag error message down there in the instrument cluster. Next, pick the seat you want to remove. We're doing the driver's side, then slide it back as far as possible. We can now see two bolts that need to be removed. There's one there, and there's another one here. And to remove those bolts, we need a T50 Torx bit. That's the one that looks like a star on the end. See that? And of course, we also need a ratchet and various extension bars. So let's get the first bolt out. In with the ratchet. There we go. We need to get bolt number 2 now. There we are, 2 bolts. Next, slide the seat forwards as far as it goes, like so, and then climb into the back. And this is when I wish I bought a 5-door hatchback rather than a 3. Now, when we peer under the seat, we can see an electrical connector just there. That connector needs to be removed. To do so, slide this red tab towards the back of the car, like so, and then pull out this section here, like that, and then the electrical connector comes apart. Nice and simple. There are now 2 more bolts to remove. I'll show you. So we have one bolt all the way down there, and the other bolt we need to remove is there. We can now lift the seat out of the car. Hope you're feeling strong. So there's the seat sitting on the gravel, and this is what the car looks like without it. All a bit strange, but it's definitely more spacious, which is no bad thing. And by the way, if you look under this flap here, you'll see the car's VIN number. There's part of mine. Interesting, eh? And naturally, when you want to reinstall the seat, simply reverse the process we've already gone through. Right. It's now a few minutes later, so the seat's back in the Corsa and the battery's reconnected, but there are a few important final points to consider. Number 1, Because we disconnected the battery, we lost the radio station presets. However, they came back automatically within a minute or two. Number 2. The car's time and date did not adjust automatically, even though they should have done. So, they'll need to be configured manually via the settings menu. And number 3, because we disconnected the battery, the windows no longer go all the way down or all the way up via a single press of the button. So we have to keep that button down. And as soon as we let go, the window stops. See? Don't worry though, there's an easy solution. Simply open the window like so. And now we can see it's fully open. And then close the window all the way to the top. But when it gets to the top, keep holding the button for about 10 seconds. We can see the window is fully closed, and holding it for this long should reset the system. So what do you reckon? Has that been 10 seconds? I reckon it has. So now the window should fully open with a single press, which it is. Problem solved. Don't forget to do that for all the windows. Anyway, that's it. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time, hopefully with a full set of seats. Bye bye.